हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल गाइस आर फाइन। कल हमने ऑर्गेनिक इवोल्यूशन से एमसीक्यूज़ किए थे जो आपके एचपी टेट में बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे, और आज हम मैकेनिज्म ऑफ इवोल्यूशन से कुछ एमसीक्यूज़ करेंगे। तो ये एमसीक्यूज़ आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाले हैं, और आप देख रहे होंगे कि इसमें इन क्वेश्चंस में प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन भी इंक्लूडेड हैं। तो आपने इवोल्यूशन वाला चैप्टर बहुत बड़ा है, अगर आप वो चैप्टर नहीं भी पढ़ते हो और ये एमसीक्यूज़ कर लेते हो तो आपके इसमें से क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं, इसलिए आप इनको अच्छे से कर लें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम मैकेनिज्म ऑफ इवोल्यूशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द थ्योरी ऑफ ह्यूगो डी वारिस फॉर द ओरिजिन ऑफ न्यू स्पीशीज इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, म्यूटेशन, eugenics and gene coding, and the correct answer is the option number B, mutation. To be evolutionarily successful, a mutation must be germplasm DNA, somatoplasm DNA, cytoplasm and RNA, and the correct answer is the option number A, germplasm DNA. And the next question is the gene which increases the frequency of mutation in other gene is referred to as, and the options are mutagen, mutator gene, hypostatic gene, complementary gene, and the correct answer is the option number B, mutator gene. And the next question is the mutations arise due to. Options are infection by microorganisms, abrupt changes in genes, dominant characters of one of the parents, and hybridization. And the correct answer is the option number B, abrupt changes in genes. Then next question is the mutations are mainly responsible for. Options are constancy in organisms, increasing the population rate, variation in organism, all of the above. And the correct answer is the option number C, variations in organism. Then next question is the theory of mutations or discontinuous variation was first proposed by. Options are Malthus, Hugo de Varis, Shemak, and Robert Brown, and the correct answer is the option number B, Hugo de Varis. Then next question is the de Varis explained mechanism of evolution by conducting experiments on garden pea, Pisum strivum. And next option is the evening primrose, Oenthera lamarckiana, China rose, Althea rosea, fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. As the correct answer is the option number B, evening primrose, Oenthera lamarckiana. Then next question is the discontinuous variations are. Options are acquired characters, mutations, essential features, non-essential feature, and the correct answer is the option number B, mutations. The next question is the mutations may be caused by X-ray due to changes in chromosomes, genes, DNA, and all of the above. And the correct answer is the option number D, all of the above. Then next question is the recapitulation theory was given by Hyman, Haeckel, Hooke, and Malthus, and the correct answer is the option number B, Haeckel. Mutation theory was given by Haeckel. और इस 9 क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन नंबर डी, एंड 10 क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, हैकेल. Then question number 11 is the parallelism is. Options are adaptive divergence in evolution, adaptive convergence of widely different species in evolution, adaptive convergence of closely related species in evolution, and none of the above. And the correct answer is the option number C. Option number C, adaptive convergence of closely related species in evolution. The next question is the a mutation from the wild to a new type is called reverse mutation, frameshift mutation, Gibris mutation, and forward mutation. And the correct answer is the option number D, forward mutation. And the next question is the concept of sudden genetic change which breeds true in an organism is. Options are mutation, independent assortment, inheritance of acquired character, natural selection, and the correct answer is the option number A, mutation. The next question is the frequency of a mutant gene in a population is expected to increase if the phenotype of that gene is. Options are dominant, selected, recessive, neither dominant nor recessive, and the correct answer is the option number B, selected. The next question is the role of mutation in evolution is reproduction, reproductive isolation, genetic drift, genetic variation, and none of the above. And the correct answer is the option number C, genetic variations. And the next question is the gene pool is genotype of an individual of a population, different genes of all individual of a species found in an area, pool of artificially synthesized genes, and genes of a genus. And the correct answer is the option number B, different genes of all individuals of a species in an area. And the next question is the which of the following is correct match. Darlington DNA replication, Mendel mutation, Morgan father of genetics, de Varis, Oenthera lamarckiana. And the correct answer is the option number D, de Varis, Oenthera lamarckiana. And the next question is that the feature which enabled reptiles to dominate Earth's fauna for millions of years was there. And the options are large lungs, heavy armor, big teeth, shelled egg. And the correct answer is the option number B, heavy armor. Then next question is the golden age of dinosaurs. Golden age of dinosaurs was during Archeozoic era, Cenozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Paleozoic era. And the correct answer is the option number C, Mesozoic era. Then next question is the age of fossils can be estimated by Earth's crust, amount of calcium deposited, remaining quantity of a radioactive carbon in relevant rocks, and chemical analysis. And the correct answer is the option number C, remaining quantity of a radioactive carbon in irrelevant rocks. Then next question is the study of fossils is called paleontology, teratology, gerontology, taxonomy, and the correct answer is the option number A, paleontology. Then next question is the fossils of Archaeopteryx reveals that reptiles was most evolved during Triassic. Toothed bird originated from flying reptiles during Triassic. Toothed bird originated during Jurassic. Toothed birds gave rise to primitive mammals, and the correct answer is the option number C. Toothed birds originated during Jurassic. Next question is the correct sequence is the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Archeozoic, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Archeozoic, Cenozoic, Archeozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic, and the correct answer is option number A. Then next question is the Archaeopteryx became extinct during Jurassic, Triassic, Cenozoic, Cretaceous. Correct answer is the option number D, Cretaceous. Paleozoic era was age of reptiles, mammals, and giant mollusks and fishes. And the correct answer is the option number D, giant mollusks and fishes.